So today I'm about to show you how to copy a code block in Flowith.io step by step. If you're working with a code or formatted text and want to copy it cleanly without breaking it, this will help you do it properly. Let's get started. First, open Flowith.io, go to your project. Once inside, locate the code block you want to copy. Now, hover over the code block and look for the copy icon. Click the copy icon and it will automatically copy the entire code block to your clipboard. If there's no icon available, click and drag your mouse to highlight the full code block. Then press Ctrl C for Windows or Command for Mac. For better results, make sure you copy the full block, avoid copying partial lines, paste into a code editor to keep formatting clean. And that's it. That's how to copy a code block in Flowith.io. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.